Hi everyone, today we will discuss about lathe machine. Lathe is nothing but a basic machine tool. So it is used for producing cylindrical works. In that, workpiece is rotating, the tool is feed against the rotating workpiece. So lathe machine is one of the basic machine tool. It is used for the cylindrical workpieces. So it performs various operations such as turning. Turning means reducing the diameter. Facing means reducing the length. Knurling, give the grip to the workpiece. Grooving is nothing but making the holes like that. So etc. operations are done by the lathe machine. In lathe machine, we are using single point cutting tool. Single point cutting tool means the cutting tool touches the workpiece at one point at a time. So we are using multi-point cutting tool also. Multi-point cutting tool is used in milling machine. Next, working principle of lathe machine. So why we are using, what are the work lathe will do? So the main function of the lathe is remove the excess material from the cylindrical surfaces. So we can observe the diagram. It consists of, this is the line diagram. So it has a lathe spindle, headstock, live center, workpiece, tool, dead center, tailstock, sleeve. So in the diagram, the arrow mark is given to the workpiece. Why that arrow mark is given? That is the rotating. So workpiece is rotating. Tool not rotate. Tool moves left to right and front to back. First, supporting column. Supporting column are used to carry all loads of the machine. So supporting column carry the all loads of lathe machine. They are bolted on the floor, which prevents the vibration. So when we are on the machine gives the vibration. That's why supporting column are bolted to the floor. Next one, bed. It is the main body of the machine. All main components are bolted on it. In the diagram, here lead screw is there. So on the lead screw, the carriage will move to and from motion. Next, carriage. It is situated between the headstock and tailstock. So carriage is situated between the headstock and tailstock. It consists of saddle, cross, slide, compound rest, tool post, and apron. Carriage is made up of a cast iron. Saddle. It is a saddle. It is a rigid casting. So saddle is a rigid means no deformation body is called as a rigid. So rigid casting, and it has HR U shape. Next, apron. It is fitted to this saddle. So saddle is moving by the apron. Next, cross slide. So it supports the compound rest and fitted on top of the saddle. Next, compound rest. It is supports the tool post and it is mounted on the top of the cross slide one by one. They all are mounted one by one. Tool post, it is mounted on the compound rest and it holds the tool. So all are one by one mounted. Some specifications are there. The length between the two centers. So the maximum distance can be measured between the two centers. Height of the centers. So height of the center measured from bed to center of axis of the lathe centers. Next, length of bed. Already we observed in the diagram. Capacity of lathe. Capacity of lathe. It is the amount of power required to drive the lathe. So lathe is operated by the electric power. So that is capacity. In the diagram, the top left side. Swing diameter over the bed. Swing diameter over the bed means the diameter of the job cannot. If the diameter of the job is maximum, then it will touches the bed. So we can find out the maximum distance, maximum diameter. So swing diameter over the bed, it is the largest diameter of the job that can be rotated over the bed without touching the bed. So bed without touch the bed. Same swing diameter over the cross slide. So this is similar to the swing diameter over the bed. In that swing diameter over the cross slide, the largest diameter of the job cannot touch the carriage. Carriage consists of many parts, so that's why it will not touches the carriage. Next, bottom floor space. So floor space is the total base area occupied by the length. Speed of lathe, speed, different range of speeds are used. So this is the one of the specification. Next, spindle size. Spindle, why we are using spindle? Spindle because of we are using hold the chuck. So it is also important. The spindle dimensions include diameter and length of spindles. So these all are specifications of the lathe.